सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam. You're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, today is a good news for Asus ZenFone 2 laser users. Brand new Android Oreo 8.1 was released yesterday on January 5th. This OS is beautifully crafted. This ROM comes packed with all essential features like substratum theme engine. In this ROM, we can customize line, pulse, battery and clock customization. It's updated regularly to maintain all the necessities. Friends, I will provide you the latest ROM which is version 2.1 and the build date is 18/1/2018. So friends, before we installing this ROM, we have to enable the three things in your laser phone. First thing is enable the developer option. The second thing is unlock bootloader in your Asus phone, and the third and final, install any custom recovery as like TWRP you can install. We have to boot your phone into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button. Here when your phone is booted into TWRP recovery mode, select the backup option before we wipe this data. After selecting in this, select the boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting this, simply swipe right to take backup. It will depend on your data size. After successfully backup was completed, we need to go home screen again. Press back button. In this criteria, we need to wipe our temporary cache before installing this ROM. Select wipe option. In this criteria, select advanced wipe and select following options: Dolby Not Cache, System, Data and Cache. After selecting this, simple swipe right to wipe. When it was complete successfully, simple we need to go to home screen to install Oreo 8.1. Press on back button. Here simple click on install. Select the Oreo ROM and simple swipe right to install. Friends, in this criteria, do not press any back button. It causes brick your device. After successfully installed, here friends, do not reboot directly to your phone. Select wipe cache and here simple swipe right to wipe. After data wipe, here we need to press on reboot option. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to reboot your phone completely. Friends, I will meet you after my desktop has been rebooted successfully. Friends, this is the Oreo version of ZenFone 2 laser. I will show you the pretty cool features and settings what actually changed in this device. And this is a notification criteria. The changes has been done as we compare with previous Nougat ROM. The background and foreground color, the icon space has been increased in this ROM. Here we can simply have some experience like Pixel 2 phone. The related notifications has been shown directly pop up on the icon menu. When we look up into settings area, the related settings has been segregated in one setting. Just we need to see the network and internet we could find in this Wi-Fi, mobile data, usage, hotspot and the connected device, Bluetooth, cast, USB. These are all found in connected device, and the permissions, default apps, app management, these are all found in app notifications. With the compare of Nougat ROM, the battery percent has been increased nearly 40 above. This is a version of about my model and the Android version is 8.1.0. The security patch is very recent and the kernel is also updated in this ROM. In this ROM, we can make calls of VoLT from the Jio SIM. So friends, hope you like this video. Do you have any comment? You can make in direct comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring you a latest updates about this phone. So thank you friends. Bye bye friends.